Hello, good evening. Introduce, my name is Diki Wahyuditarigan. I'm from Politek Negeri Batam. In this discourse is in this presentation, I want presentation about I have progress in this semester, and the sub name my my project is 20 horse intelligent Dropbox library. Anytime self-returning books. And then in this presentation, uh, I I want a presentation how far about we progress, and then okay we continue to the next slide. Okay, we have three personal team in this project, and then I want to introduce one by one personal. The first name is Diki, is the this is myself, is Ayam, and then Arya Mahendra, and then Jonathan Manurung. And then project manager in this team is lecturer Iman Fahruji. And then continue about Dropbox. What is a Dropbox? Dropbox is a device used for the return book automatically. This device can return book anytime, even outside working hours of library. So this device can help library with limited operation. And this driving question, I think, is not it's important lah. I can driving question in we have team how can I make database for probing and returning books, and of course a database we can get it make a database. And then for the continue, how to make connect wireless and between Dropbox library system to library staff, how the integration to the R system. And then continue this block diagram from the Dropbox library, and then RFID sent to the monitor, and then monitor and the RFID send the data to the microcontroller. If the microcontroller see data accepted, can then book going to conveyor, and then in conveyor have the sensor, and then sensor to the choice the different book, and then if have a different book going to basket or bin. Okay, this one a system device have a microcontroller, have the RFID, have a display monitor, and then have the printer, have a conveyor of stuff, and the is the bin or box. Okay, this RFID component. RFID component have the RFID text, RFID reader, antenna, RFID label printer, handheld printer, and RFID gates. And then this one a design electric car RFID. We using Arduino Mega, and then RFID RC522. This one a result detection book. In this progress, we can see book of course detected, and not book RFID detected the book sensor. Of course, in the book we get we get a sensor like this. Okay, and then this one process detected book. Okay, continue. We see, and then we detected book like this. Okay, sensor one. This one a mechanical design. And then this one a program for motor. Motor, of course, we cannot test to the motor, but we can test with the Arduino, because a component arrived yet come. So many problem in this team about the component. And then this one, DC motor running, but DC motor have a problem. In this one motor have a problem is the conveyor is run is not what's the I can say not a balance, but not run a balance, but it cannot run if more than 0.5 kilogram. And then this try to this one result using the motor. Okay, we see a video. Like this is now balancing. Okay, if my hand is check the motor. Okay, we continue. For database progress in this monitor progress, we have a database for the anything entry data a student can apply entry to this database, because I not have a data about the student, but to the example, I using the data. We have three team, and then like this one structural database, and this one mahasiswa, of course. And then in the mahasiswa data have like this, have a name mahasiswa and name mahasiswa, prodi, and then nomor telepon, have the email, and then alamat. This, and then if we return book, if somebody return book, we can see is in the database have the name return, tanggal pengembalian, ID buku, nama mahasiswa, nama petugas, and then if let to come back, if let to return book, have denda. Okay, and then continue. If we see in the monitor have this one about the if borrow book. Okay, if borrow book. So in the database like this, in the data for borrow book. Okay, this one confer progress, nothing is special, because yes, same like the first time I say, component are evaluated. So we writing component to assembly everything about the mechanical. Okay, this one is something problem. Okay, this one progress, reading book progress, RPD success, read the sensor book. I give a 100% about that. And then this one a mechanical assembly, because a component still must waiting for the assembly, not waiting, but we can need fabrication if component come. And then for database, I can give 14% about database. Was for database we need data about the many student for the active borrow book to library. We get we entry to the database. Okay, continue. This one a timeline it's so small, so like this is timeline we progress. And then it's a problem of course, we problem many component haven't arrived yet, and then our team has difficulty in the making database system. Okay, thank you for the attention, and then thank you